I will render these flowers with blue marker on transparent paper. So let's start. With blue marker, fill all the flower leaves at the back of the sheet. Make sure to fill all the leaves with blue marker. Turn the transparent paper and color the inner of the flower with yellow color by watercolor. Of course, you can color it with yellow marker if you want. Let's go to the next video.